Hi, everyone. Well, there's only two of you. All right, I see Alyssa's trying to connect to audio. Alyssa, you're in.
Hello. Yeah, I can hear you.
Awesome. Awesome. Shaquan.
Hey,
Hey.
hi.
Hey, bud. I see that you haven't taken the exam, and there are a couple of things that you haven't done, buddy.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. I mean, if you want to meet me, maybe we could talk after this meeting.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah. I mean, I think, yeah, yeah, I don't want to. Yeah, we'll let's talk after this is done.
yeah.
Yeah, okay. Peyton, how you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Okay, good, good. Except for three people, I think most everybody has taken the exam. Most of you actually did well. I'll be grading this week the midterm project. Hopefully you guys did great. There's another assignment that's out there for this week. So the following week, we're going to actually begin speaking about mobile web applications. So those are applications that aren't really apps, but are supposed to customize themselves to mobile devices like your iPad, your phones, Android and iPhones, things like that. So, we'll be spending a couple of weeks on that. And then after that, we're going to be going through databases, how to add databases to your web applications so that you can store information. Um, so we'll be talking a little bit about SQL, SQL. And then there's one more probably assignment towards the end. That'll be your final project assignment for your real estate project, which you'll be adding a database element to it. And after that's the final, which will encompass a little bit about everything that's been going on this semester. So do any of you have any questions concerning either the midterm project or the exam? What do you guys think? It doesn't seem like it was really hard. Alyssa, you got an 86. You did well.
Yeah.
Cool. Anything out of the ordinary there with the JavaScript and stuff? I'm assuming, while you were taking the test, you were probably, I mean, did you do that cold or did you have some assistance? It's okay. You're not going to lose any points. I'm
I was like trying to kind of look through the textbook and stuff too, because the JavaScript stuff still just like really confuses me.
It is. It's a little tough. And that's why I do a lot of these things this way. I mean, I'm assuming, you guys are either going to Google a lot of this stuff or, you're going to go through the textbook or you're going to go through some stuff. But, hopefully as you go through that, yeah, you're taking the exam and the whole thing, but hopefully some of that stuff stays in there. And that's again, my hope. Peyton, what about you? You did well. You got a 96.
Yeah, it definitely was challenging.
It is. It's meant
Yeah.
to be. It's meant to be. It's definitely, that this kind of stuff. Trust me that, it could be harder. It is usually this stuff is a little harder for people that are IT majors and things like that. You guys are more, arts and media and things like that. So you're more on the creative side. Not that programming and systems design doesn't have its own creative edge. It does, definitely does. But I'll be honest with you, when you're a system designer and you're designing applications, it's not like you know this stuff cold. Most of the time, we'll have a couple of manuals next to us. We'll have an idea of what we want to do, and we have kind of an idea of how we want to design it and how we want it to look and how we want it to work. But we'll go to the manual. We'll go to we'll ask Google, hey, what do you think? How is this command actually phrased, and how does what are the nuances? How does it work? So we'll have that. So it's when you're designing, you're going to have all of these tools available to you. So if you're taking an exam, especially one like this where you guys are not really that used to JavaScript and you haven't been doing JavaScript in a while, maybe some of you have, but you're going to have all these resources, and you should have these resources. And I see that, a lot of you, I think I gave you enough time to go through, look at the question, look at the nuances, see how things worked. If you had to look something up, that's okay. And actually, put in the right answer. Hopefully it sticks with you so that at some point in the future, when you're doing your own, design, you're doing your own website, you're doing web development, you'll remember, okay, yeah, I remember when I had to do this in school, and then I went in and I researched this, and this works this way, and this works that way. And it gives you a chance to go back and use those same search methods for something that you're doing for real, in the real world. So, do you have any questions for me? Peyton, Alyssa, Jaquan? No questions? It's going to be a short meeting. All right. So definitely do the reading, do the reading. I love your websites. Absolutely fantastic. I should have the midterm project graded this week, towards the end of the week. And you've got the other assignment that's going on this week. And then we're going to be doing something new next week. Okay. So actually the next few weeks, we'll be doing something new. We'll be going into mobile web design, and we'll be going into databases. Any questions about that? No? Everybody good? Okay. Then again, email me if you have any questions about the material or anything going on.